Welcome to this video. Today we will learn how to use Google Search Console for technical SEO. This free tool from Google helps you monitor your site's performance, identify technical issues, and ensure your pages are properly indexed. Google Search Console, also called GSC, is a free service that lets website owners track search performance, crawling, and indexing. It is a must-have tool for technical SEO. To start, add your website property to Google Search Console and verify ownership. You can use methods like DNS record, HTML tag, or Google Analytics verification. The index coverage report shows which pages are indexed and which have errors. It helps identify crawl errors, server issues, or blog pages that might affect SEO. The URL inspecting tool lets you check the indexing status of any page. You can see how Google sees your page and request re-indexing after making changes. Mobile usability is a ranking factor. This report identifies mobile-related issues like clickable elements being too close or content wider than the screen. Core Web Vitals measure loading speed, interactivity, and visual stability. Use this report to find pages that need optimization for a better user experience. Submitting your XML sitemap in GSC helps Google discover and crawl your pages efficiently. Always keep your sitemap updated to reflect site changes. This section alerts you if your site has been hacked or penalized for violating Google's guideline. Fix any issues immediately to restore search performance. While it's more for SEO analysis, the performance report also helps in technical SEO by showing if certain pages are not getting impression due to indexing or crawl issues. Google Search Console is a powerful tool for technical SEO. It helps detect crawl errors, indexing problems, mobile usability issues, and poor Web Vital performance so your site can stay optimized. Thank you for watching. Start using Google Search Console today to keep your website technically healthy and search friendly. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.